So in this video, I'm going to discuss the count the number of beautiful subarrays which occurred in today's LEETCODE challenge 336. So if you have any doubt regarding this, you can ping me up on Instagram. Even you can join my Discord server. I will provide both the links in the comment section. I'll pin them. Okay. So this problem is like very simple. It's stated that you have given a array and you have to find the number of subarrays such that if we choose any two elements and check if the kth bit of the representation of both the elements are 1, then we can subtract 2 to the power k from it, that is remove that 1, right? So this thing, like this problem statement is a little twisted. Okay, so what is the main trick behind this is you have to basically find, like, let me change the question. Okay, let me change the question to make it easier for you. You have to find the number of, let me focus it once, sorry. Yeah, so you have to find the number of subarrays with XOR is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the main trick behind it. So how are we going to do that? The naive approach is run a loop. Okay, anyways, whatever approach you are going to use, you have to use the prefix XOR. Okay, prefix XOR subarray of size n plus 1, because taking, let's say for this, okay, 4 3 1 2 4. So what is the prefix XOR subarray going to be? If the initial is 4 3 1 2 4, then the prefix XOR will be 0, then 4, then 4 XOR 3, then 4 XOR 3 XOR 1, then 4 XOR 3 XOR 1 XOR 2, then 4 XOR 3 XOR 1, sorry, XOR 2 XOR 4. Okay, so this is going to be our prefix XOR. Okay, now I don't think I need to give you the code for this. You can like simply get what I am doing. Okay, so after you have done with this, so the naive approach is going to run a loop from I is equal to 0 to I less than n plus 1 and j is equals to I plus 1 to n plus 1 and check if the XOR of both the elements are equal to 0 or not, right? But that is a very bad approach, because that is going to give you the solution in big O n squared, which is going to give you a TLE for sure. Okay, so we are not going to use this. So what we are going to use, we are going to use one of my favorite concept in Java, hash map, or even the map in CPP, or as you may call the dictionary in Python. Okay, so these are the three things that we are going to make use of. So what we do, see, we travels throughout the whole array, this whole array, okay, and check if, and we go on putting the values and their frequencies in this hash map or dictionary. Okay, so let's say the frequency of 0 is 1, right? For 4 it is what? It is also 1, right? For 4 XOR 3 it is now 1. 4 XOR 3 is none of 0 or 4. Okay, so it is what? 1. For 4 XOR 3 XOR 1 it is also 1, right? Now for 4 XOR 3 XOR 1 XOR 2, now here comes one thing, that is 3 XOR 1 XOR 2 is actually 0. So 4 XOR 0 is what? It is 4, right? So that is basically this. Okay, this we can also write as 4 XOR 3 XOR 1 XOR, okay, 2. Like if you check this both values are same. So this frequency becomes 2, and once this frequency becomes 2, the answer, we increment the frequency, its previous frequency to it. Okay, so answer was initially 0, now it becomes 1, right? So now for this 4 XOR 3 XOR 1 XOR 2 XOR 4, so see, 4 and 4 gets cancelled because you know A is equal to 0, right? So we don't need to consider them. And 3 XOR 1 XOR 2, as I have already stated, 3 XOR 1 XOR 2 is 0, right? So what is this? This is also basically 0. And what is the frequency of 0? It is 1, right? So answer again becomes 1 plus 1, that is 2. And this gets overwritten as 2. Okay. So what is the answer? It's 2. Check it. It is 2. Okay. So this is the approach that you are going to follow. Like I'm not going to give you the code because I think you should do it by yourself. So that's it. Thank you.